Good afternoon, Ryan from Perry's here. Just a quick video to show you the basic controls of your new vehicle. I know you mentioned you wanted to know how the keyless entry works. What I'll do is I'll show you that now. So I've got the key in my pocket. Now you'll see this button on the door handle. Simply push that, vehicle will unlock, which you'll see the wing mirrors folded out, and you can enter the vehicle. To lock, you do the same thing. Just push it, vehicle will be locked. Okay. In order to start the vehicle, jump inside. You've got the button down here, apply your foot on the brake, simply push that and it will start up. Okay, so on the steering wheel on the left hand side you've got your Bluetooth and your volume controls. So I'll show you how to connect your Bluetooth in a moment. When it's connected you've got your answer and your decline buttons. Then you've got your volume up and down, push it in to mute it. When your phone is connected up via Bluetooth or via the USB cable just down here, you've got voice command. So you can push that and command the vehicle to call or text someone. This button here will switch between the radio and your Bluetooth device, and then this will go through the radio stations or the songs that are on your Bluetooth device. On the right hand side is where your trip computer is controlled. So this button here will go through the different settings in there. So you've got your tyre pressure and systems, your miles to the gallon, okay, and then you can see up the top there how many miles you've got to a tank. So 461. Tank is filled right up to the top, and then you've got your adaptive cruise control. So you'll push that, push mode, this button at the top, you'll see your cruise. When you're at the speed you want to be on, pull that down to set. Okay, it's saying that the conditions aren't met at the moment because we aren't actually moving. When you have set the cruise control, you can push this button and you've got 4 settings of how close you want it to follow the car in front of you. Car in front of you brakes, this vehicle brakes. Car in front of you speeds up, this vehicle will speed up to whatever you have set the limit to. Okay, this one will cancel it out, and obviously you can adjust your speed whilst you're on cruise control as well. On the indicator stalk you've got your lights, so they are automatic lights, so you don't need to touch those. Then in the middle here you've got your front and your rear fog lights. So you've got your indicators. Right hand side you've got your front windscreen wipers and your rear windscreen wipers. So you've got auto wipers on there, so you push it up once, you'll see it is on auto. And then for the rear one you just turn the dial, just like that, and they will come on or off. To squirt the front windscreen you pull this towards you. To do the rear one you push it away from you. Down by your knee is where your traction control is controlled. You've got your power tailgate, so you hold that, it will open the boot automatically. You've got your blind spot detection, which you can see lighting up in there. You've got your lane keep assist, which you'll see flashing just down the bottom of the screen there. It means on or off. You've got your illumination brightness, so you can set how bright you want that to be. And then you've got your headlight level adjustments. On the door, you've got your 4 window controls. You've got your lock the rear window, so whoever's in the back can't unlock it. You've got your lock and your unlock button. And then you've got your exterior mirror controls. And then you've got your auto folding wing mirrors as well. Down here you've got quite a few buttons. So you've got view for the camera. Okay, so if you're driving along you can push that whilst you're in drive and it will bring up the rear camera or the front camera. Parking sensors, that button will just turn the parking sensors off. You've got auto hold, which means that you're a set of lights. You can just keep the vehicle in drive, which you can see there. The auto hold will go green. My foot is fully off the brake at the moment and we're not going anywhere. As soon as you touch the accelerator the vehicle will move. You've got drive mode, so you've got sports or normal. Okay, and you've got downhill brake control. Now this is for if you're towing a caravan or towing a trailer and you're going down a hill. It will not allow the trailer to sort of push you down the hill. Okay. Then you've got your USB cable and your auxiliary cable. You've also got a wireless charging pad, so if your phone supports wireless charging. Okay. You've got 2 12 volts here. Okay. You've also got your controls for your air conditioning and heating, so that's your fan speed, and you've got your fan direction here. Front and rear heated windscreen, and then you've got your driver's side air conditioned seats and your heated seats, heated steering wheel, and then your passenger side heated seats, air conditioned seats. Okay, it is dual zone, so you can set the passenger side different to the driver's side. Okay, or you can sync those just by pushing that button there. You've got your hazard lights, and then up the top here you've got your screen for your entertainment. So it's a split screen, so you've got radio on the right hand side, sat nav on the left hand side. You can click on radio like this and just choose through any of the stations you want on there. Okay, so it's DAB, so it's got pretty much every single station you can think of. And then on the left hand side you've got your sat nav. Now if you push the sat nav it will just bring up a map. In order to search for somewhere you click nav, address, punch in your address in there or your postcode and it will direct you to that postcode. To connect your phone, you push Setup, click Bluetooth, Bluetooth connections, add new, and then go to mobile device and find Tucson, okay, and then connect. Enter the pin that shows up on the screen. If it all matches, it will automatically connect, okay, and then it will download your contacts. When your Bluetooth device is connected, if you want to play the songs on your phone, you can just push media, just like that, and it will go to your, it will switch to your Bluetooth device, or you can just push this button on here, okay. If you have got any questions, you can just give me a call or you can refer back to this video. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.